Hello everyone. Today we are tackling a tricky chemistry problem involving gas containers. It looks intimidating, but once we break down the math, it's a piece of cake. Let's dive in. Here is the question. Two identical sealed containers at the same temperature are provided. One contains 0.24 moles of oxygen gas, container number 1, and the other contains 11.2 grams of butene gas, container number 2. So, which of the following statements regarding them is incorrect? 1. The gas pressure in container 1 is higher compared to container 2. Number 2. There is not enough oxygen available for the two gases to react completely with each other. Number 3. The number of atoms making up the gas molecules in container 2 is 4 times the number of atoms in container 1. And the last option, the total volume of the two initial gases under the same conditions is equal to the volume of 12.32 grams of CO gas under these same conditions. Statement 1 claims that the gas pressure in container 1 is higher than container 2. Let's check it out. First, we find the moles for container 2. 11.2 grams of butene divided by its molar mass of 56 give us 0.2 moles. Since pressure depends on the number of the gas particles and 0.24 is greater than 0.2, this statement is true. Statement 2 says there isn't enough oxygen for a full reaction. In our balanced equation, one butene needs 6 oxygen molecules. We have 0.2 moles of butene, so we needed 1.2 moles of oxygen. We only have 0.24, so yeah, we are definitely short on oxygen. This statement is correct. Now statement 3. It says container 2 has 4 times the atoms of container 1. Let's count them up. In container 1, we got 0.48 moles of atoms. In container 2, we got 2.4 moles of atoms. Now, if we divide 2.4 by 0.48, we get 5, not 4. Bingo! This statement is the wrong one. Finally, statement 4 claims the total volume of these gases equal the volume of 12.33 grams of carbon monoxide. The total initial moles are 0.24 plus 0.2, which is 0.44 moles. 12.32 grams of carbon monoxide divided by its molar mass, which is 28, also gives us 0.44 moles. Identical moles mean identical volumes. So this statement is true.